Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two top-notch dash cameras, the SUVCON dash cam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera. So buckle up and let's dive in. Let's start with our first contender, the SUVCON dash cam, or as I like to call it, the triple threat. This bad boy is designed to monitor both the inside and outside of your car simultaneously. It features a wide-angle front camera, a cabin camera, and even a waterproof rear camera. Talk about all-around protection. And now let's meet the Miden S7 dual dash camera, or as I affectionately call it, the super sleek Sentinel. This sleek dash cam records in Ultra HD 2.5K at the front and FHD 1080p at the rear. With a wide-angle front camera and a waterproof rear camera, it captures every angle without a single blind spot. When it comes to video quality, both these dash cameras deliver stunning footage. The SUVCON dashcam offers clear images with its IPS panel screen, ensuring a crystal clear picture from any angle. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera takes it up a notch with its 2.5K front video resolution, giving you those extra details that can make all the difference. Now let's talk about night vision. The SUVCON dashcam comes equipped with 4 infrared LED lights for capturing important footage even in low-light conditions. But the Miden S7 dual dash camera raises the bar with its f1.5 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring better color accuracy and clarity, making it a true night vision champion. Both these dash cameras come packed with impressive additional features. The SUVCON dashcam boasts a G-sensor and parking monitor, which automatically activate emergency recording and lock important videos in case of sudden shakes or collisions. Meanwhile, the Miden S7 dual dash camera takes it a step further with its 3-axis G-sensor and accident lock feature, adding an extra layer of protection. Ease of use is always a top priority. The SUVCON dashcam offers a plug-and-play experience, making it super convenient to install and operate. With its user-friendly display and key settings, you'll be up and running in no time. The Miden S7 dual dash camera takes it a step further, providing a large 3.2-inch IPS screen with a clear user interface, making navigation a breeze. The SUVCON dashcam offers all-around protection with its triple-channel recording, while the Miden S7 dual dash camera impresses with its Ultra HD video quality and sleek design. And there you have it, folks. Both the SUVCON dashcam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera bring their A-game to the table. The SUVCON dashcam offers a triple threat with its 3-channel recording, while the Miden S7 dual dash camera impresses with its Ultra HD video quality and sleek design. So which one should you choose? Well, it all depends on what you prioritize in a dashcam. If you're looking for all-around protection and a reliable companion on the road, the SUVCON dashcam might be your best bet. But if you're after top-notch video quality and a sleek design, the Miden S7 dual dash camera could be your perfect match. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to get more information on these fantastic dash cameras. That's all for today's comparison. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.